Unlock seamless automation between Pandadoc and Pabbly Connect to supercharge your business workflow and eliminate manual tasks forever. Today, we're diving deep into how you can effortlessly integrate your Pandadoc documents with Pabbly Connect, creating powerful automated workflows that save you time and boost productivity. This means automating document creation, updates, and so much more, all without touching a single line of code. Let's get started by heading over to your Pabbly Connect account. Once logged in, click on the prominent Create Workflow button. This is where the magic will happen. In the Workflow Builder, you'll need to choose our trigger application, search for and select Pandadoc now. Let's set up the trigger event. For our first automation, let's set the trigger event to New Document Created. This means our workflow will activate every time a new document is generated in Pandadoc. Click Connect. You'll be prompted to connect your Pandadoc account. This usually involves pasting your Pandadoc API key. You can find this key in your Pandadoc settings if you don't have it readily available. Enter your API key and authorize the connection. Once successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, click on the Test Trigger button. Pabbly Connect will attempt to fetch a recent document from your Pandadoc account. This helps us verify the connection and see the data we'll be working with. As you can see, Pabbly Connect has successfully captured the data from a Pandadoc document. This data will be used to trigger our next action. Next, we'll choose our action application. Let's imagine we want to update a lead record in our CRM, say HubSpot. Whenever a Pandadoc document is created, select your CRM or any other application you wish to integrate with. For this example, let's choose the action event as Update Contact. Again, click Connect to link your CRM account. Similar to Pandadoc, you'll need to connect your CRM by providing its API key or logging in to authorize Pabbly Connect. Once your CRM is connected, Pabbly Connect will display fields from your CRM that correspond to the data it received from Pandadoc. This is where the crucial mapping happens. You'll drag and drop or select the Pandadoc data fields into the corresponding fields of your CRM. For instance, map the recipient email from Pandadoc to the email field in your CRM. You can map names, company details, and virtually any data you need to transfer. This ensures your CRM is always up to date with the latest information from your Pandadoc documents. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click the Save button to finalize your workflow. And there you have it. You've just set up an automated workflow that integrates Pandadoc with another application using Pabbly Connect. This is just the tip of the iceberg for what you can achieve. Explore more complex scenarios like creating Pandadoc documents from new leads in your CRM or updating document statuses automatically. Supercharge your business productivity with Pabbly Connect and Pandadoc automation. Visit Pabbly Connect and Pandadoc to learn more and start building your own sophisticated workflows today.